Hi, my name is Cody, and today we're going to be talking about starters. First thing we're going to talk about is the starter draw test, which is going to tell us how many volts and amps the starter is drawing from the battery. The first thing you're going to do is disable the engine from starting by removing your fuse from the ECM or using an alternative method. Next, you're going to connect an amp clamp to either battery cable that goes down to the starter. After the amp clamp has been connected, you're then going to connect a voltmeter to the positive and negative terminals on the battery, or you can connect them to the starter ground stud and positive terminal on the solenoid. Once your meters are hooked up, you'll then have someone crank the engine for more than 5 seconds but no more than 15 seconds. Record both readings and check with the manufacturer and make sure the readings are good. The next thing we're going to talk about is bench testing the starter motor. The other end of the cable correctly connected to the power source, you're going to connect your positive cable to the positive terminal on the solenoid, and you're going to ground out on the starter housing. You're then going to connect a test lead to the positive terminal as well, and then touch the ground terminal with the other end of the lead, and this will energize the starter motor. Once the starter motor is energized, it's going to kick the pinion gear out, and the pinion gear is going to grab the ring gear on the flywheel, cranking the engine. Now I'm going to have you listen to two starter motors being energized. One of them is going to have an issue with it, and the other one is going to be working properly. That rattling noise you were hearing and the pinion gear bouncing in and out like that was because the hold-in winding was actually no good. Now, if it were an issue with the pull-in winding, the pinion gear wouldn't have even come out in the first place. Now let's listen to the good starter motor. And that's what a starter motor should sound like. Thank you for watching.